Indian users enjoy their favorite online games at their convenience, as multiple gaming formats are easily accessible. For gaming to remain an enriching pastime, it is very important to prioritize balanced consumption. Now, users need to be aware about proliferating offshore betting and gambling platforms that seriously compromise their safety. Such platforms masquerade as legitimate platforms, dupe users with fraudulent or misleading advertisements, and have the potential to cause significant psychological and financial harm. Now, this in turn brings us to the core of today's video, which will talk about the need to promote responsible gaming and foster a safe gaming environment for all of us. Now, what exactly is responsible gaming? In simple words, it is raising public awareness about safety-enhancing practices and promoting a fair and enjoyable gaming experience. The objective is to ensure measures and safeguards to protect users, a balanced approach to gameplay, protection against inappropriate content, generating awareness around potential risks of excessive gaming. So, what can we do to create a culture of responsible gaming? Creating and sustaining a culture of responsible gaming is a tripartite responsibility shared by the users, platforms, and regulators. Starting with the users, be aware and vigilant of illegitimate platforms. Practice voluntary self-exclusion and abide by the guidelines defined by the platforms. Also ensure supervised game experience for children. Platforms need to offer responsible gaming standards to create a safe and secure ecosystem. Allow the users to voluntarily set their own time and money limits while monitoring at-risk behavior and ensuring transparency in financial transactions. Regulators can play a key role in mitigating and eliminating risks and safety issues posed by illegal online betting and gambling platforms by identifying and blacklisting illegitimate platforms. A recent study by Rashtriya Raksha University recommends setting up a national regulatory framework for online gaming, which can create transparency, safety, and uniformity while ensuring that only legitimate platforms operate in India. Legitimate platforms offer a range of skill-based online gaming formats such as fantasy sports, online rummy, and esports. These provides many benefits such as improved decision-making, enhanced cognitive abilities, and increased social bonding, also enhanced sports knowledge. However, such benefits are best complemented through responsible gameplay, a responsibility shared amongst the users, platforms, and regulators. Enhancing user choice or user agency is the most important measure to have. The entire gaming ecosystem must prioritize responsible gaming practices so both the industry and its users can benefit from a safer gaming environment.